Hi, friends. Welcome to Everyday Dialogue. Listen carefully. Here we go.
Hi, Steven. Thank you so much for coming to my birthday party.
Hi, Sonia. Happy birthday. Of course I wouldn't miss it.
Please come in. Make yourself at home.
Thanks. Wow, you have so many friends here.
Yes, most of them are from my university. Are you okay?
Well, to be honest, I don't know anyone. I feel a little shy.
Don't be shy. They are all very friendly. Come on, I'll introduce you to everyone.
That would be great. Thank you.
Okay, see that girl over there? The one wearing the green dress?
Yes, I see her. She has a nice smile.
That's Cece. She's one of my best friends.
She's very pretty.
Thank you. All my friends are pretty, right?
Yes, they are. Who is that guy sitting next to her on the couch?
That's Gabriel. He's her boyfriend.
They look good together. They are a nice couple.
Of course. Follow me to the kitchen.
Okay, I came for you.
By the way, do you have a girlfriend?
Yes, I do. But she is not from here.
Really? Where is she from?
She's from France. Her name is Rosa.
That's a beautiful name. How old is she?
She's 22, 2 years younger than me.
What does she look like? Do you have a photo?
Yes, I have one on my phone. Here, look.
Oh my God! She is so beautiful. She has blonde hair.
Thank you. Yeah, she is very beautiful.
Does she speak English?
Not very well. It's difficult for her.
That's too bad. How do you talk to each other?
I can speak a little French, so we mostly speak in French.
But when she visits you here, it must be hard for her to talk to other people.
You are right. She feels shy and quiet at parties.
I have a suggestion for her.
What is it?
There is a YouTube channel called Everyday Dialogue. It has simple English conversations about daily life.
Oh, really? What kind of conversations?
Things like greetings, ordering food, talking about the weather. Very easy and useful topics.
That sounds perfect for her. Are the videos long?
No, they're short and clear. Maybe 10 minutes. If she watches and practices every day, her English will improve quickly.
That's a great idea. I would definitely tell her about it tonight.
I'm happy to help. Let's get something to drink. Would you like juice or soda?
Juice is fine. Thank you. Orange juice if you have it.
So, how is your job going?
It's going well, but it's very busy these days.
What do you do again? You're a designer, right?
Yes, I'm a graphic designer. I make posters and logos for companies.
That sounds interesting. Do you work in an office or from home?
I work from home 3 days a week. It's more comfortable.
I agree. I also want to find a job like that.
Thank you. This is delicious.
You're welcome. So, when is Rosa visiting you next time?
Next month, I hope. Maybe for the Christmas holidays.
That's wonderful. You must be very excited.
Yes, I am. I miss her a lot.
I understand. Long-distance relationships are hard.
Yes, but we video call every day. It helps.
Look! They are bringing the cake! Let's go!
Okay, let's sing Happy Birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Wow! Thank you so much for surprising all my friends.
Steven, come here. Let's take a photo with the cake.
Okay.
Thank you again for coming, Steven. I'm really glad you're here.
Thank you for inviting me. Happy birthday, Sonia.
Let's eat the cake. I hope you like chocolate.
I love chocolate. It's my favorite.